Just got up to start work and the wind's going crazy already. Nina is sitting here. Well, she was watching the wind, but they say the wind's not supposed to pick up till 10 o'clock tonight, but okay, now the wind stopped. But all you could hear is howling from my office window. But I'll keep it posted as the morning goes on. Just watching the wind blow. But I'll keep you posted as the morning goes on. It's still dark out, but from 10 to 10 today is the wind advisory, so Nina's all ready for it. Everybody have a good day. It's starting to get windy. Well, it has been windy, but between 10, like I said, 10 o'clock is when the wind's going to really start picking up till 10 tonight. Nina's enjoying her little spot at the window. Yeah, I came and disturbed her. Now she has to come see mommy. But the wind is picking up. It's going to make for an interesting day today, I have to say.